I might try becoming a professional bodybuilder, and so naturally the first step is to increase my protein intake. Well, every morning I eat a bunch of peanuts because I can't wait to make my scrambled eggs. Like, I'm so hungry, I need to eat some peanuts. So I decided to save some time. I would try cooking them at the same time. I heated some butter in a pan. This is a Hex Club pan. And then I added my scrambled eggs. Usually I scramble them before adding them to the pan, but I was so short on time, I just plopped them in. The key with scrambled eggs is to keep pushing them around the pan and don't let them sit for too long. When they're just slightly runny but pretty solid, the cheese curds are ready for you to add the peanuts. Now, again, I did not have the time this particular morning to take them out of the shells. Normally I would. Some people do eat the shells, I don't, and so I recommend that you take them out of the shells first so you're not dealing with, touching the eggy shells later when you have to eat it. Tomorrow I think I'm going to make some French toast with this yummy homemade bread my husband made. You can find his channel at Hand Model Patrick. Till next time, cheers.